Nobody no go for that lady there. She go for everybody. Look, what that make me? It's a lady and on there, right? It's a lady and on the album, right? And you can see. See? Young lady and I was 22 when I did the album. 22. Yeah. I mean, at the business for me at 16. My first little song was with me and Rankin Ty named Kind of Family. And then me do for Birch and Brown Conscious Woman. And then me do Shine Eye Boy. Alright. After doing this album and they released the single. No, they released the single first and the single become number one. The album itself go number one. Alright, let's see it. Take a good look, you know.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
What going again, Unstoppable family? So people, the saga is not done yet. No, the dancehall soap opera thing was surrounding the females. No, it's not done yet. Alright, so where we there right now? We don't hear from Spice, we don't hear from Maca Diamond, we don't see Lady Sa come out and talk again. Well, right now, Lady Anne, you know, she did voice for her concerns in the whole matter too and come out and talk. And in the comment section of the videos, some persons was like, who that woman here, we don't know her, who she, where she come from, right? Well, Lady Anne did have to forward and set that record straight and make them understand. Say, yo, man, I'm a little squab, you know. And me are the first lady of dancehall, Lady Anne, the original. And Lady Anne showed them, you know, everything where she earned over the years in a dancehall. Right? Now, let's give right where right is. Lady Anne have hits under her belt, of course. But the difference is, enough people know the songs, but just don't know the face. So them can't put a face to the songs. And the reason behind that is you have to remember in a Lady Anne era, music videos wasn't really the thing. You understand? It was all about dropping your songs and you get one record or one EP or whatever, right? Like how you say right now, music videos, every song will come, you have a music video drop feet. And some artists even drop music video before the song itself even drop. You understand? So that is the difference. Nowadays, people will know the face of the artist. Compared to back then, them used to know the songs and not know the face of the artist. You don't understand? But anyway, Lady Anne, I set the record straight right here. And she also even talk up a lot more things about Lady Sa. And even Lady G was mentioned. People, listen, we're going.
Alright. After that come out, it made me become the first female DJ in a Jamaica to ever get a number one song, number one album, and me get DJ of the year. Here's my proof. Listen my proof. 1983, right? Rockers Award. Can you all see? Can y'all see the proof? Here's my proof. Here it is. 1983 Rockers Award. That's my proof. You see it for yourself? And after I get it in 1983, look, I got it again in 1984. Can you all see? 1984. Wait a sec. Can y'all see good? Let me know if you can't see good, you know. 1984, right? Can y'all see? Wait a sec. I'm read it. Wait a sec, now. Lady Anne, female DJ of the year, 1984. Can y'all see? See? 1984. Here it is. Let me go back to the 1983 one. That's the first one I ever achieved. Donated by Rockers Award. Don't look on it again. Coming off to tell a lie. For suffer, oh no, we defend the demon. And I talk about the way I look high. And with this, I'm enough. I'm a still tight. Me did deny from the start. I mean start this. Wanna see my proof there? 1983. Wanna see it? I mean start this. I said the second proof here. 1984. I don't know if you can see good. See it, yeah? I have them. I just do. When me hear someone talk and I go like, I don't want disrespect me just slow no. I see the album, yeah, the album, yeah. Me achieve all of them thing there. I mean, I'm not only 83 or 84, me get it 85 too. But my producer Rocky never give it to me. And just because I come out, me never like the way oh this young woman go after this little young girl. I'm a talk. You know, depend on who she. I mean, the first lady of reggae dancehall. Every other lady where you hear about them come see me. Them come see me. When you see me prove them, so all I want to talk about which song me do, make me show now song. And I this alone me do, but this is what take me to the world. You see it? This is the song will take me to the world. Yeah. It take me to the world. I'm a more award out there, so I still carry the phone out to go show what make me go into the story. The young lady come see me, Lady G, Nancy, Junior Ranks, Sister Charmian, Patra, with Lady Venus, Lady Junie, she come see me at the business. And I pay pressure, she pressure we. Some of it answer, some of it don't. Me load up back, because my mouth big. Lady G is a little young lady like this. Lady G is peaceful as we can say. Lady G is a young lady we don't talk much. You are chop off her neck and Lady G just stay there and make a chop off her neck. Lady G is not gonna respond. No care what go on around her, no care what you say. Lady G, take it. She will talk with me, she will talk with Maka, and she probably have her other bona fide friend them where she talk to. Let me tell you something why I'm so bitter at this minister. I don't know where she and Lady G have. When you listening, I don't know where she and Lady G have. But anyway, she come to me. She come to me. No Lady G, the minister come to me. And she tell me what I go on with she and Lady G. And I listen. But what she said made me get angry and upset at her. At the time, Lady G have a baby that was sick with cancer. And the baby were admitted in the hospital here in America and was going through a lot of surgery. Lady G now focus on she and what she do to her. Lady G focus on her baby and the illness that the baby I go through. You know what that young lady said? I could make the baby have cancer and dead. When she says so, we need buckle. And I turned to her and I said, that's not nice. You're a good man because black. I say, regardless, this baby didn't do you anything. This baby didn't, and if she comes to lie, me I tell, me go top read my Bible because I saw me know say, church people are wicked. She can't say a lie, me I tell. And when she say it to me up at Alfred Tree, right up at Castor Brown, stood right there, so. I mean, as me explain to my knee, buckle. And I went, me think about it the whole day, me sad. That's when I Lady June, I said, Lady, I know it's so sad. Why not give no trouble? Because me love give me trouble, I'm a joke. I couldn't even say it. The following day, Lady G, them time the Lady G, I drive a little yellow car. And I say, Lady G and Tony Curtis come up at the studio. I say, Lady G, come here. And she come to me. And I said, what you and that young lady have? Lady G said, Ann, me don't know where what happened. Me don't have nothing, you know. Me don't know where me do her. She just said, I said, G. She said, I would make a baby die. And I'm very upset. And if God bless her with children, something wrong. Because how can she say, I would make a baby die? And me cry. And if you don't believe me, you can't ask Lady G. We're going through Lady G now. But me have her advice, but me can't play it. I couldn't hear Lady G. And Lady G said, somebody called her and I said, what? Lady G. And Lady G said, she have to explain to them, say, and it's upset because of what you said about my baby. I was upset. I cried. Because the baby didn't do her anything. That's a baby of cancer dying. It's over to Lady G now go come talk. That's what she say. And after she done off a Lady G, she go off a Patra. But the only difference why she couldn't get to Patra, because Patra did a do. He did in a bigger lead. I don't know the whole America love Patra, and Patra think they different. Patra think they set. So she couldn't get that whole of Patra the real way. She said Patra thief for her song. One song named Romantic Call. She said a fair song Patra thief. She go off a Patra. But through Patra did a bigger lead. Pacha no look on her. Pacha no look on her. You understand? Pacha busy all over the place now, no time. Pacha consider her local at the time. Pacha no look on her. Anyway, after she move off of Patra, she move off of Patra, me no know what happened, me know say she Maka the cool. Spice. I could talk about Spice. Maka is the one that introduced Spice, not in person, to me and Charming. Cause Maka, I don't know what went wrong with between Maka and Spice, but Maka did like Spice. Me not lie to no. And every time she come, she da talk about Spice, Spice, Spice. The way Maka used to talk about Spice, she make me and Charming fell in love with Spice. And we liked it Spice so much. And we used to, the minister never liked Spice. Why shouldn't like Spice? We don't know. Only thing she depend Spice in a rice and Spice in a season. And we used to sit down and say, but why she don't like this little girl? Why she don't like this little girl? This little girl not doing nothing. I'm unalive, can I call her back? And we said, why she don't like this little girl? This little girl not doing nothing. But anyway, I remember she have a dinner. She have a dinner party at her house. And she invite Maka, and she invite Lady G, and Maka invite, and Lady G invites Spice. And them carry Spice. When them Maka and Lady G carry Spice over there, she were upset that they bring the Spice. But anyway, we don't know what happened come never did it, but they talk over and Spice end up stay the night. Spice never end up go back home with Maka and Lady G. Spice and her become close, and then they become good friends. And then Maka and her start follow now. The reason why Maka start follow, even though she helped Maka in her video, she helped Maka with her video, me not lie. She got dance night for Maka and all them something, me not lie. She did that. She did give Maka strength for the video. But then, we don't know what happened. After Maka career take off now, every day she start to call Maka. Maka, me here say this, and me here say that, and me here say this, and me here say that. So, just because I do all for 7 minutes, she go to Maka with some yes, Maka say, it caused falling out between she and Maka. After the falling out between she and Maka now, then Spice and Maka follow too. Alright. Tana Stevens. I've never known Tana Stevens. But I hear Tana Stevens songs then. I don't know what go on between she and Tanya. But all of a sudden, the song when name Go Do Your Ear, Man of the Lisa a Problem, that song was made for this Tanya and other song. Tana is like a Lady G. Tana didn't respond. Tana didn't answer. Tana didn't respond and Tana didn't answer. What? I'm alive. Tana didn't respond and Tana never answered. Tana just take for herself. Anyway, them have a show in a Roy Wilkins Park. She was on the show and Tana was on the show. That is the first time I got meet Tana. Them time them my son a baby. And they backstage with my son. And the minister see me my son and she walk come up and she says, this your baby. And I say, it's pretty. And she start to play the baby. And then Mr. Tanya come out. I want the boss them. And I said to her, I said, who is that? And she said, she named Tanya. And I said, oh, she had Tanya Stephen. And that was it. And then Tanya go her ways. And then we don't know where I go on, but it was Tanya now. The war gone to Tanya now. The war gone to Tanya now. Anyway, one day I took my kids them to the hospital. Carry me 3 last week them to doctor. Come have them back to back. And she didn't. The minister was hunting for me. But whoever give her my number never give her my cell phone number. They gave her my house number. So she called us about 5 times and my daughter answered the phone and said, I'm not here. But she sister talked to me so much that she called my daughter again and tell my daughter. My daughter called me and said, Lady Sir called you, should I give her your cell phone number? And I said, no. And she was me telling her, because of what she said about Lady G, baby, I was angry at her. I tell my daughter, I said, don't give it to her. So my daughter never give it to her. So she called back. And my daughter, I asked my daughter for hook her up to me. daughter hook her up to me. And Mr. Mia say, on me, what happened? What's so detrimental why you wanted to me? She say, Tanya Stephen tell her, say, me follow her go over a man. So me turn to her, I say, my daughter witness. She will learn with the pan and my daughter hear everything. I turn to her and I said to her, say, Tanya if tell you, say, me follow you go over a man. And me and Tanya never talk again in my life. The first time I see Tanya, no, you show me, say, she named Tanya Stephen. So I've never seen Tanya again since that. So what are you saying? Why you come to me with that? Because I couldn't tell Tanya not like that. Me and Tanya have never spoken again in our life. And that end. She said, well, I saw Tanya. So I said, well, I don't know. Anyway, another show keep Arai Wilkins pop. She wasn't on the show. Tanya were on the show. I go to the show and I go back to the stage to Tanya. And I said, Tanya, come here. The minister called me. I said, you tell her, say, me tell you, say, me follow go over, man. What kind of talk that? Tanya said, lady, now listen to that demon there. Because I don't know where that demon they are talk about. And I said, Tanya, that me a say, why shall we come with them something there? And me and Tanya talk about it, and Tanya show me the vibes to her go on. And Tanya said, lady, and a demon, you know. I'm not look on her, you know. Now listen to her, you know, because she'll come after me, and she come, and me know what Tanya said, because I say she do it to everybody else. Anyway, the war explode with she and Maka now. The war explode with she and Maka. And me the Irish Jamboree, she dey on the show, Maka dey on the show. Maka pull me left, she a pull me right. Maka no want me talk to her, she no want me talk to Maka. And me I get mad panic to them. I say, listen, we are all female, we not the game long, we live good and unite. You over here, so it no look good. And me I try quash them, and she tell me what Maka do, and Maka tell me what she do. But me and Maka is more closer than she, so me know she do to Maka long time with all for years. Every minute she call Maka, say she hear, and Maka get fed up. Right? Anyway, it go on, and me no know. Them go back to Jamaica, me still there, me and my friend Marion. Alright. Still don't know Spice. Meet Spice now. Oh, we're gonna meet Spice. I hear Spice apologize to Tanya. Me gonna apologize to Spice too. We're gonna meet Spice now for the first time. Ry Wilkins again. Me and Charmian and Ling, Evie and Earth and Hannah. Spice come. And she said to Charmian said, see her. It look like Charmian meet her before, but this is the first time I meet her. Charmian said to her, say, Wagwa mama. And she said, come talk about Wagwa mama, ya call girl me say I call up my name. So me said to her. So when she said to Charmian, no, Charmian free. So me said to her, what you mean she call up your name? When she call up your name, so I say, girl, me not chat to you. And me say, girl, go see your chat to. You say you're black and dirty and look ugly, and the war on. And Earlton try to, we take up a buckle, and Earlton try to say, me can't do no the buckle, me cuss out Earlton dog and come the mad car. Me I say, she shouldn't come at Charmian like that with hearsay. I don't know me love my Charmian. I'm not going to defend my Charmian, and that's all I was doing. I was defending my friend because me never like how she come at Charmian. Anyway, she walk away when me I go off at her and she come up with lady sir. When she come up with lady sir, oh, I don't want any lady on. And she start to look at me and say it's a me name, so you now got this my friend. You can't this my friend. You girl it and my cousin. Yes, so me can say you gotta apologize to tell Titus to her mother that year. I shouldn't tell her about her mother, but me did mad because she did disrespect my friend in front of me. I mean, I make no girl disrespect my friend. You hear what me I say? Anyway, that done. We have Spice make up, we agree back. Charmian and our talk, me and our talk. We do interview together on our jam. And we say I and hello. We say I and hello. Sometimes me inbox her and so. voice note her, she feel voice note back to do it, she not feel. She not do it. And I just saw it go. Anyway, this war thing keep a go on, it a go on, it a go on, it a go on. Pacha, like I said, Pacha no reply, Pacha no look on her, Pacha sitting in her lead, so Pacha no look. Lady G no look, shall Lady G end up talk because Lady G can live with the devil. Lady G know all of what she do, but Lady G no pay no mind. Lady G just lower, make she talk. No, Tanya lower, make she talk. Nobody no look. Me I don't want to cuss out her. Yeah, me class her and tag her up. I make sure say, girl, you come see me and do this. How you? Yeah, yeah. So, people who have come and I said this and I said that, wanna never backstage with us, wanna never in the room with us, I don't know what happened. There says three sides to the story, your side, my side, and the truth. We get a long letter which shall say God are going to reveal the truth, and God just did that. Because I ears do what we want to make the world know what you do. But we never come forth and say, I know what you do, so like what you send in the letter, true people love you, the whole way I come after you. It's not true. Nobody never come after you. You come after every one of us. You are so selfish, you want this all for yourself. That's who where you come see, you never want them to continue. That's why you go after Lady G. I mean, you come for us now, put it in your place, you know. Remember, I know. Put you up in your place. Because Kingston 30, me come from the country girl can't rap with me. I'm ready to put you up in your place. And me I never chat till after you go after Lady G. And me did I try make the peace. And that's when you say I'm good make the baby day. Tell the world that that's why I'm angry with you. How can a baby have cancer and you wish that? Anyway, go on Richie and Tanya. Till it reach Tifa. Tifa now come talk. And a bad love chat like me. And then a bad love chat like Spice and Maca. Till it reach Tifa. Who and Wally for something. It reach go to Tifa now. You don't know Tifa come like Lady G. Tifa now come out from so nothing. Tifa does say me now look, you know. So people, when you hear we attack, it's a lot. It's just because nobody now come. And this lady will not acknowledge the fact and say, yes, she did some things. She keeps saying everybody coming after her. It's not true. Look what you did to Mikey Spice, but I will leave that alone. I don't know where your lady Julie have. I don't know if your junior ranks have anything. Alright. The whole of the young lady them, the Spice, the Shentia, every one of them give her prop. She have never give me, Lady G, Nancy, Sister Charmy and Junior Rank, Lady Junior, any prop. Never acknowledge us. She act like she just come and start DJ and wicked and bad. 1993 Sunfest. That was the year when we got proof to the world that she never bad. When them say she can't bring no man on stage come fill up them body, she can't wine pan a man, and she can't go ranchy. She have to come clean. And she come clean and nothing happen. They mash up the whole of 1993 Sunfest. But through the higher age, because she have nothing to do with Wagwa with my career, you know. And a fair and a she. It was higher people than me and she. Because of things I'm not ready to talk about yet. Now I'm nothing to do with she. And a she kill my career. It have come from higher age. So when me do Sunfest, I'm mash up 1993 Sunfest. When me mash up 1993 Sunfest, I don't know see no tape with it. You know why? And I say higher age again. I remember when I come off of the stage and I walk. I see a bunch of people run come towards me and I run me around and a cockatoo will and for me. I say, no, don't run. I interview them or interview it for them not see how long. This young lady, every stage show she go perform, the whole crew will go real forward for her. And I remember with that theme park, car, over something, I remember, I have a pink shirt set with some spots all over it. You can go look it up. I'm not tell lie. And you know, she see me in front of the stick. I remember me and her not chat, you know. I was from where she said about Lady G, baby, me no chat to her, no. I'm stand up in front of the stage and look on her. And you know what she say? You know, see that little old woman when I was stand up in front of me and she named Lady and I started she last time when it's called man, said, Miss Lady and I said, I ditch it. So I'm see I'm up in her appear no mind. I'm gonna look on her. My girl, you're 55 and me are 60. This year you're 56 and me are 61. We couldn't have you. And that's all me I say. You do a lot. You do a lot. And then you come crying wolf when I do the blame game. And everybody a come and go off a Maka. Alright. I could talk about Maka Cucumber song. I forgot all that. When Maka do the Cucumber song. No, lie. When she and Maka go clash. And if you don't believe me, I want to go watch the video. When she and Maka go clash. If you don't look, and me and Lady G and my daughter watch thing. Here I watch thing every day, not for the class. I watch thing to see Spice. I love when Spice come out with the character them. Lady G and say, and you love Spicy, man. Yeah, me like Spice. Me don't know why me just like her. You know me cuss out her, like her. Yeah. Me just like her energy at the time, the young Spice. Me like the young Spice, yeah. So, I said, I say sister. One of your Spice talk about in the video. Sister come with a bottle of water. She start to go around Maka on the stage. And I said, Jesus Christ, Maka career don't know. And my daughter said, come my daughter American. She said, man, why you say that? She just wetting up the stage with water. I said, my baby, you don't know what into that water. And after that, Maka no career. Maka can't find her way back. And Lady G, we laugh, we roll, and we laugh. I said, G, Maka career don't know. Maka career don't know. And we laugh, and we carry on, and we tease. And I call Maka, I say, And after that, Maka get sick real bad. And Maka hide it from the crowd and tell him about the shallows bait and shadows nothing go so. Them thing are like up there for Maka. Stand up like a man. That no? Anyway, believe that alone. And Maka come defend the part there. That's a Maka business. Leave the part there alone. After that now, Maka take for herself. Maka get sick real bad. Maka take her time till she find her way back and get back healthy. Alright, Maka get healthy now. Maka do the cucumber song. That lie. Before the cucumber song. Lie, me reach her. When Maka get sick bad now, Lady G called she the minister. I said, pray for Maka now. And she said, no. She said, leave her out of it. She now pray for Maka. Sorry, Lady G not still like me to come forward, come back up and thing when me I say, you know. She tell Lady G, said, no. She not praying for Maka. She don't want to be a part of it. Alright. So me said then, oh, she's a child of God and she refused to pray for Maka. Anyway, we leave it. Maka get back better now, find her way back and get back better. And Maka do the cucumber song. When Maka do the cucumber song, the minister called Lady G. And Maka forgot how the story go. Maka not talk it good. She called Lady G. I asked Lady G for Maka number. And Maka said to Lady G, say yes, get her the number. And when Lady G get her Maka number, oh no, I hear the voice note them. The things that she said about Maka. So G called me and said, Anna, Maka, make you hear the voice note them. I said, what voice note? She said, well, the minister said, and G did the laugh. I said, no. So I said, I go call Maka no, Maka, I think so. I said, I call Maka. So Maka, what kind of voice note that me hear so you get from the minister? And Maka play them to me. So I call Vegas. Catch me always hear Vegas. A big girl. I said, Vegas. You know, I hear them voice note of your girl sent to Maka, you know. Vegas said me too lie. The only way I believe them if me can get the voice notes them from Maka, make him hear them. Anyway, I call back Maka for the voice note them and Maka refused to give me them. Maka said she can't bother with her. She got enough already with her. She don't want to go to no more. I used to listen to her every Wednesday when she promised to enjoy the prayer service. And from the day me hear the voice note them and me hear the things that she say about Maka, me unfollow her. Me never listen to her again because you are not a child of God. Alright. Maka refused to give me the voice note then. And we just make it quash. Come on now. So I said to Maka, did she call and apologize to you? Maka said no, she not apologize to me, but she attempt to leave the business. So I said, then Maka, when did he call her for prayer for you? What she did say? Didn't she say no, she don't want to be a part of it? So she want to come tell you what you doing in the music business. So all I own want talk. So much we could not tell life and want somebody. So much we could not tell life and want somebody. So all I want to talk about me. And I wish song me sing. Speak here again. I'm going to speak here. Speak here. No female in the music industry no song big like this. And then Sister Charmian come and start sweep all of the award them, and then Lady G come and lick out Sister Charmian. And the whole of we still love each other, and we have fun, and we cook, and we got Maca yard. When Maca live over Waterford, we go there. That one I do that one and here junior ranks. The whole of we cook, we have fun. When we come and find everybody come at me, and we bungle up. Some of we sleep on the floor, some of we sleep on the bed. And that's how the thing they there. We never behave like she. The girl no one have no unity with we. None at all. She not just target Spice. She know that. She never like a bone in a Spice. I don't know why. When Spice go friend her with it upset. We say, oh, Spice go friend her, she hate her. So but we say people can change, you know? So maybe them change. So we just leave it alone. So I don't want nobody to come and talk about she better than, she no better than we. She no better than none of we. And me first do this. See them here? So me prove them here. So me title them here. You go carry the phone or go show. Me even for dog plate. Me get all them for dog plate. Sensia might not know about her. Cause them young. Jada Kingdom might not know. Aishana might not know. Chanel more. Might not know, and the little younger one them not know because them never did. We did an entanglement with her. So we know nobody now bash her, none of we not hate her, and none of we now fight against her. None of we now fight against her. She come with that negative something there and a fight with everybody else. If lady, like me said, if I no come with your story yet, Capture no come with your story yet, and Lady G no come, and Lady G now go come. I'm gonna think Pacha ever go come. I'm gonna think Pippa ever go come. People go through it. People go through it. When him talk about Chevelle Franklin, Chevelle have our story too. I will leave that alone. Nobody no do her nothing. Nobody no do her nothing. Nobody no do her this young lady no. That's why competition, she could have said, we could have unity and do a song with everybody from day one that we are trying. Unity. You want to do some ratted song about Tanya. Yeah, man, I did some private girl go do you hear? That song that was a diss with Tanya and other song. But me not talk about them story. Make them come tell them. I just go shine the light and when me know fear fact. And when nobody tell me, come in the dead. I was there. Remember me at the first year that reggae dancer, I know she. Nobody no care if she want to be queen, king, or whatever she want to be. We no care. I remember saying, we were before. So, if you don't know what are going on in the industry, stop chastise people. Because you don't know. You wasn't there. It's a lot she do. And she have a ears a problem. Every time she call anyone, I wish she hear. She call Lady Jaffe said, listen, come on from my phone with a whole ears, man. I'm tired of you. Oh, she can't hear, so? No, she not hear no more. No, I gotta talk to her till her. God tell me things and show me things too. And you alone got to talk to. Stop it. Stop play a victim. You're a bully. Stop play a victim. You're a bully. You're a bully. I'm not gonna call you a devil like the rest of them. You're a bully. And you're a bully long time. You are a bully. And you try to bully all of us. I'm gonna be alone, I couldn't bully. I'm gonna put you in your place and run away. You remember? When you come at me, but you're murder. I say, girl, you can't murder. None of it. Me do this long time. You're baby to this. And you can't get no forward unless you carry a man past you and make him a grind your back way. Or I feel up the mood and jump up a man and wine. I'm going to say, can't generate a forward. Me turn up on DJ and get forward. I'm not do none of that. Me not do none of them something I get forward. We and she couldn't have that relationship. She never wanted. Which, and I like, everybody has not tried. But jealousy, selfishness, and greed make it couldn't happen. Selfishness, jealousy, and greed. She go for Patra, hard, But Patra says, "Sight, not me." And truth, Patra did in the bigger league. In the 2-pack them league. Patra said, "Me nah look for you. You know my league and last her." So she go off at Tanya. You know what she and Tanya have been never asked Tanya the story. Tanya said, "Lady, I'm not do room and nothing." It's a lot. So nobody now go for her or come for her. A long time we want her, but we couldn't see a man that said, "I choose she hotter than we, and we bad mind. I choose she this, and we bad mind." Nobody no bad mind, the girl. What? What she do me a lady G? Them do it already. When me young, me the maddest thing in a dance. In my ear days, make them tell about me. I'm love a female come, and me take them in. Lisa Danger come, and show them the rope. Me not envy nobody. Because somebody cannot make up the music industry. So you say, Angie Angel, the whole of them, everybody have them separate crew. It was Angie Angel and Lady G them and June Rant them and Patra them. And it was me, Nancy, and Sister Charmian, and Princesses, and Wingy. We did have one little crew. We could have got everybody yard, cook, eat, have fun. I want to invite them, to give them all their food, and to tie them up and put them down. And that's why we invite them. We invite them because we have fun and we have planned where we're going to go. Also, the next night, and we have planned for the next stage show. So me get a long letter she wrote. Said God go expose. That's what God doing now. He's exposing you. You've been exposed. Stop take the blame game and come to apologize to some of us and tell people the truth. We for kiss out the Bible and you for kiss out the Bible. Stop. Take the blame others and cry victim. You're not a victim. You're a bully. You are a bully. And Sissy no come with PR story neither. So much people cannot tell lie. From me I grew up, my granny, them have a sense. If it no goes so, it near so, or it close. So much of us can tell lie. And I'm hungry at you for saying I'm good. Make Lady G baby day. And I got angry at you until the day God come and change me. Because that baby didn't do you anything. It was you and Lady G fight, not the baby. And whatever you fight Lady G for, you fight Lady G with, I worry Lady G with Lady G don't know about. Because our Lady G was worried about her baby where them are cut up. And the baby died. And you say, good. Hurt me to my heart.
No, me know somehow no, I go say, boy, we tired of this now. Yeah, me see you in the comment section. I say, enough of this. We tired of this now, man. Cho. But, here we go on. Them a do it, them a bring it out, them a say what them a fi say. So, the public want to know where I go on to. Remember, you may not interested in knowing what's happening between the female entertainers in the music, but there is somebody who wants to know. For example, you where watch. Yeah, you watch right now, even though you might have said, me tired of it, man, enough of this now, but you're still there, though. Watch out about people, talk to me in the comment section, let me know what is your take, your views, your opinion on this one right here. Until the next video drop, no matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable, and I'm out. Oh, hit the subscribe button, Zane, one love.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.